Hello everyone, I am Sravya, and as a part of hackathon which is conducted by the Vagdevi College Hack for the Need, our team is set up at 20 and our project is detection of COVID-19 using X-ray images. As we all know, the pace at which the virus is spreading, and we are all aware of the lack of availability of testing kits in our country. And here the role of machine learning and artificial intelligence comes. Artificial intelligence and machine learning helps us in achieving almost every of the toughest tasks. Our proposed system predicts the presence of COVID in a person using X-ray images of that particular person. And we have achieved an accuracy of almost 97.5% in this model. As of now, there are no existing models, and achieving an accuracy of 97% is a kind of benchmark in this field. The architecture of VGG16 and the convolutional neural network we have used is VGG16. Our dataset consists of X-ray images. This is the graph of loss we have obtained during training, and these are the results we have obtained. We have got accuracy of 97.5%. We have trained our model for 25 epochs. We have got validation loss of 57% and validation accuracy of 92%. And let us see our model. Yeah, this is the code for our model. We have used VG16 convolutional neural network, which consists of 16 layers and which is one of the biggest architecture and the best of many architectures. We have prepared our data set, training set and validation set, which consists of X-ray images, and this is the training part. This training has been done for 25 epochs. This is the loss and accuracy we have obtained. This is the graph we have obtained for 25 epochs. Yeah, and this is our dataset. Train and validate. This consists of X-ray images. Yeah, thank you.